working a lot and I haven't gone to fishing. All right, so I just got back from the Apple store. I know I haven't filmed for a long time. I haven't uploaded, but the good thing is that I'm back and I'm here to give you what's my opinion on the iPhone 11. This is it. You see? iPhone 11 Pro Max, guys. Let's get to it. Oh, wow. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful opening. Box feels really fresh. Real nice. Real smooth. I like the black color. Remind me of the old iPhone. The first iPhone came like this in black. And here it is, guys. Wow. That looks so nice. Wow, that feels good. Feels extremely good. So everything is matte except this part where the Apple logo is. That's glossy, which I like. I like that. Let's pop it out. There it is. Let's set this aside. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, you got your regular stuff, your welcoming, how to use it, your little pin to get the SIM card out, the stickers, which I'll be using in my car. You got the, hey guys, so you get this in the box. I just want to clarify something here. So, right here, we'll focus. I'll clear this for you. Right here it says, on this part, it says 5 volts, 3 amps, or 9 volts, 2 amps. Okay? So this is a 9 volt. Okay. USB Type C. Type C included. Look at that. That's nice. I'm not sure if you could use this for your laptop. If you could, please comment down below. I would love to know. Okay, guys, let's move on. You get your pods. Look at that. Nice. Brand new. Love them. They're the best. And you get your USB Lightning to USB Type C. Just to clarify, there it is. That's nice. And of course you could charge it like that. Okay, so it's already boosting up. I'll take this off once I get the screen protector. You know what? I'll do it for you guys. Hello. There it is, guys. That's loading, so I'm gonna wait for that. While I wait for that, I got this clear case too from Apple. It's 40 bucks, well, 39 bucks, but plus tax and everything, you know. It's a hard case. It feels pretty good. So let's Let's open it up. So it's open from there. Let's try that. That looks nice. This is a hard case. So let's put this precious thing in here. Wow, that fits nice. And it has a lip right here, so like if it goes flat, it doesn't hit it. And right here, you see, it clears it, protects the lens from the table, I guess, being scratched. So it actually feels very nice. Very nice. You should have put the matte finish on this too. You know, like equal matte finish on this. Like that, you feel it. And it's not that slippery. Well, it doesn't feel slippery, but it's kind of slippery. It's not like the other one I have from this phone. This is nice. This is not slippery. This is rubber on the ends, and this is hard PVC. This one is hard PVC all around. So if it falls, it's still protected, but it doesn't have any bumper. So that's the only downfall of that. That's nice. So I gotta take it off and clean it and then put it back on. And there it is. My phone is finally working. So wow, that's nice. Okay guys, I'm back. So I finished unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro, and now I'm recording with the i11 Pro. As you see, I get more distance now on the video, more wider. This is another unboxing which I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the new one. This is the new Apple Watch Series 5. Okay guys, so the 44mm stainless steel. Okay, let's check it out. Fully sealed. That was nice. I want to do this right. Okay. This is nice. It's like a gift. Okay, guys. I got the stainless steel mesh on it. This is the main course. Now you're a man, you wear it here, or a woman over here, but it depends on you. It's turning on. And there she is. So press the button. That's beautiful. Let's spread this up. So while this is setting up, I'll put this aside here and we'll open this up. And there she is. And that's it for that. Oh, that's beautiful. This is all stainless steel. Put it backwards. That's the right way. There it is, guys. It doesn't come out all the way, so. Oh yeah, it does. It does come out all the way. It says here stainless steel. So be careful. I love that finish. Compared to this one. Don't get me wrong, this is good. This is still good. This is the Series 2. I loved it. I had it with a case and everything. Over here, that was my daily driver. But now, I got this boy right here. This boy right here is nice. Keep you guys updated. Do a lot of fishing videos now. Alright guys,